How do I sort a dictionary by value? I have a dictionary of values read from two fields in a database, a string field and a numeric field. The string field is unique, so that is the key of the dictionary. I can sort on the keys, but how can I sort based on the values? Note, I have read Stack Overflow question here. How do I sort a list of dictionaries by a value of the dictionary? And probably could change my code to have a list of dictionaries, but since I do not really need a list of dictionaries, I wanted to know if there is a simpler solution to sort either in ascending or descending order.
Python 3.7 Plus or Python 3.6. Dicts preserve insertion order in Python 3.7 Plus. Same in Python 3.6, but it's an implementation detail. Or older Python. It is not possible to sort a dictionary, only to get a representation of a dictionary that is sorted. Dictionaries are inherently orderless, but other types, such as lists and tuples, are not. So you need an ordered data type to represent sorted values, which will be a list, probably a list of tuples. For instance, sorted_x will be a list of tuples sorted by the second element in each tuple. Dict sorted_x == x. And for those wishing to sort on keys instead of values. In Python 3, since unpacking is not allowed, we can use. If you want the output as a dict, you can use collections.orderEdict.
You could use. This will sort the dictionary by the values of each entry within the dictionary from smallest to largest. To sort it in descending order, just add reverse = true. Input. Output.
Dicts can't be sorted, but you can build a sorted list from them. A sorted list of dict values. A list of key-value pairs sorted by value.
In recent Python 2.7, we have the new orderetic type, which remembers the order in which the items were added. To make a new ordered dictionary from the original, sorting by the values. The orderedict behaves like a normal dict.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.